Hello, Dyeverse Designs, positive energy designs for positive energy people. In today's video, we're going to do the top half a standard V and the bottom half in an inverted V. And wait till you see the cool effect unexpectedly that I got that I'll show you at the end of the video. You will definitely want to see this. Come on in and check it out. Okay, so today we're going to take our shirt and right from about the sternum down, we're going to do the V inverted. So the opening of the V will go toward the bottom of the shirt. From the sternum up, we're going to do a standard V where the opening goes toward the top of the shirt. As always, we soaked it in soda ash for at least 20 minutes. We match up and get our center points. Once we fold the shirt over, so I laid these out about 3 inches apart. Then with my protractor, I'm measuring angles of about 35 degrees. Or actually 65 degrees, I apologize. And at that sternum point, I switch it to where the angles change the other way, and you'll see that in just a moment as I finish my lines right there. And we're going to get a really cool effect later on from that great big diamond half a pyramid section you see there. Now here, right where that pivot is, right where we're changing directions, I actually tie the shirt at the pivot point first, and then I swivel the shirt and finish the tie. And then I'm binding both halves together because you have really 2 halves of a shirt kind of next to each other. Now I'm only using the primary colors today, blue, red, and yellow. So I started with a azure blue, lemon yellow, and scarlet. And I just repeated the pattern. Then we pop some ice on there, and after a very thorough rinse, a wash in hot water and Synthropol, the dryer and an iron, we'll get to the final results. And here we are. I think I just needed to do more of the V's. I think I needed to space them closer together, like maybe 2 inches apart, especially on, toward the top, or maybe kept it 3 inches at the bottom, and then when I change direction, shorten it up to 2 inches. But what I want you to do is look at the picture on the right, the really cool, almost snowflake emblem and rings around it that the side view takes. It was really, really unexpected. Did not even think about that. I've done a tapestry like this, but it really didn't give me anything like this. So very, very pleased. Give it a try. This should work incredibly well on t-shirts. Give it a shot. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I am not monetized. I do this just out of the goodness of my heart. My nickname is Living for the Better Good of All. That's my mission in life. So I'm just trying to live for the better good of all. Hitting that subscribe button will let you do the same. Live for the better good of all. You'll do some good. I'll do some good. Get some good. It's a win-win for both of us. Come on, it'll make you feel good. Click that button. Let me know what kind of things you want to see. This site is here for you. I am Dyeverse Designs, living for the better good of all, and hoping you are too.